Today I'll be sighting in my Mauser M12 MAX in 308 Winchester after a scope exchange and a change in ammunition. It's a M12 MAX, like I said before, with Swarovski Z8 2.3 to 18 by 56. It has the inner mount quick rail system, NeoPod, and the Mauser silencer. And I'll start out at 50 meters. The reason I'm starting out at 50 meters is just to see if I'm on paper or not. It's way easier to make adjustments at short ranges than it is to figure out which way the bullet is going at longer distances. So we'll give it a go. So after the first shot, I'm about 7 centimeters low and 4 centimeters too far to the right. So I'll make the adjustments right now without firing another round. So I've removed the turrets and now I'll keep steady and keep the crosshairs at the point of aim, and then I'll dial the scope down to the point of impact. Simple as that. This works better if you have a buddy with you, but I'm alone, so I'll just make it work. Alright, that should do it. Now I'll run down range to move the target up further back by 50 meters. The chamber is open, the bolt is out. I've got my L range with the rangefinder so I can measure the exact distance. So obviously I was aiming here, but this was the point of impact. So I kept the rifle steady, dialed it down here, then I dialed it down here. And now I'm gonna move up to 100 meters. .101, that's fine. I'm not gonna move the target a meter further. It doesn't matter at all. Alright, so we'll give it a go at 100 meters. Okay, I was a little off to the left now. I must have dialed it too far to the right earlier, about 2 or 3 clicks, and then I'm 1 click too high. I'll just make quick adjustments. I dialed 4 clicks up and 4 clicks to the left. We'll see what happens. There we go. Alright, so this was our first shot, this was our second shot, and this is the third shot after adjustments. I'm pretty happy with it. To those who might say, oh man, you're not completely bullseye, but the thing is that I always let the crosshairs lay on top or the bottom of the dot. Aim small, miss small. And this is about a bullet hole off to the right, but I mean, it doesn't matter. It's probably just me. I didn't have a rest or anything. So I'm happy with it. I'm good to go for tonight. Ideally, when you're zeroing in a rifle, you would want a better rest for the buttstock. I used my bino bag with the binos inside because I forgot the other ones at home. But keep that in mind, to have the rifle as stable as possible. So that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did, because I have a fully functioning rifle now, and I plan to take it out with me tonight to chase Arctic foxes. Have a good one.